Hi, I continue the report of Maria Cristina, and I am a reporter for this day. I am Christian Lee Perez, and the topic is roles and function of technical officials volleyball. So, assistant scorer or libero tracker that that the assistant is scorer has focus on libero tracker. So, sabi dito, the function, sinusubaybayan kapag ang libero ay pumasok at lumabas sa korte. Dito sa main korte, yun yung outside and inside. Next, tinitiyak na sinusunod ang mga tuntunin sa pagpapalit ng libero. Yan. Yung libero pala guys is tagahabol ng bola. I think so. Tuloy natin. Tinutulungan ng scorer sa pagsubaybay sa pag-ikot ng mga manlalaro. So, ano nga ba yung libero? Ano natin? Libero. The libero position was introduced internationally to volleyball in 1998. Known as, zoom natin para makita. know, uh, Known as defensive specialist, libero copy the back row and the court and wear a different color jersey than their teammates. Chapman starting Libero Sirius Senior and Fersena explained the ends and cut the position. So, the libero, dapat meron kung isa kang libero, meron ka dapat strong passer, skills, skills, deliver, ano to? Basta yan. Hindi ko na kasi maano. So, dapat ikaw ay napakalakas kapag ikaw ay libero. Kasi yung libero, inaano yan, maraming ginagawa. That I think, kung di lang tagahabol ng bola, sitter din siya. And, dapat, meron kang lakas para doon. Yan. Strength and power, volleyball. So, next na tayo sa kabila. Reserve referee or backup officials. Yan. That's the rules stand ready to step and if one of primary referees is unable to continue. The function naman is observe the game from neutral position. Next is step in for the first of second referee if needed due to injury or other reason. Pinapalitan ng second referee if needed to injury or other reason. Sabi dito, is appointed under the competition rules and replace the timekeeper if any if any of the referees is unable to continue officiating the match. He assists the referees at all times. And kung di niya na magawa yung kanyang tungkulin or nahihilo siya or whatever, i-continue yun ng second referee. Next, assist with the administrative duties before, during, and after the match, as required by the referees. After the match, he submit a report to the appropriate authorities of any misconduct or other incident that occur out of view of the referees. He must advise the referee of any report being made, record all accident occurring before, during, and after the match. Here is an alternative manual chronometer in case if is required due to an incident of any kind. Is situation in prominent place but not next to assistant referees. Next tayo dito sa technical degree. That the roles responsible for the overall technique organization of the competition. Then kapag sa loob ng competition, maging responsible ka kasi yung paggawa ng or maiwasan yung bagay na ma-technical ka. Para maiwasan yun, dapat responsible for the overall technical organization. Yun. And of course, kailangan natin na hindi lang maging maingat, dapat maging matalino. Kasi if you are athlete and lagi kang na delegate na technical, and technical, kung lagi ka na lang ganun, then hindi mo ginagamit yung first technical mo for the first time is advice to you na hindi para sa inyo ang sport. Kasi kung ginagawa mo ng maayos ang sport mo, hindi ka matiteknikal, right? Or hindi naman natin maiwasan ang technical, then, pero kapag inulit pa ng inulit, parang ginugusto na, yun lang magiging result na magiging pangit ang laro. Then the functions naman, ensure that the match is conducted according of the officials' rules and regulations. And ito nga sabi ko kanina, yung function of the match, in according pa to to the official and rules and regulations. Handless, appeal, and protest from team. Yan, handless. Next is supervise the work of all technique official. Yan. Kasi pag-uusapan naman yan ng mga referee, coaches natin, kung anong violation na nagawa mo, then report to the then Dun na. Dun na magiging end. Mati-technical ka na. Magpapahinga ka na sa laro. Then, yun lang po. Thank you.